Welcome to Mahé, the largest and most populous island of Seychelles. It's a paradisiacal green island that features a number of beautiful beaches. The capital of Seychelles, Victoria, is also located in Mahé, and here you can experience the real Seychellois culture. In this video, I will share information on how to get to Mahé, where to stay, and an overview of the sites and activities you should not miss during your visit. First, how to get there. The International Airport of Seychelles is located on the island of Mahé. We ourselves flew from Brussels to Mahé for about €650 per person. We flew with Ethiopian Airlines and had a layover in Addis Ababa, Ethiopia, for about 3 hours. The total journey took us about 14 hours. Then, where to stay? Undoubtedly, the best place to stay in Mahé is Beauvalon, a beautiful beach area with a mix of luxury resorts and budget-friendly accommodations. As it's one of the most popular places to stay, you will find supermarkets, restaurants, bars, and takeaways where you can eat something in the evening. We stayed 4 nights in La Maison Hibiscus self-catering accommodation, a spacious apartment a few minutes walk from Beauvalon Beach. You can find accommodations anywhere on the island, but there was nowhere as much to do as in Beauvalon. Of course, there are certain reasons to choose for a different location, for example if you want to stay near a beautiful beach or close to the airport. For the latter reason, we chose for Castaway Lodge for the last night, a great accommodation with a pool closer to the airport. As the largest island of Seychelles, there is plenty to see and to do on Mahé. Here are a few recommendations. First, rent a car. The best way to explore the island is by rental car. With a car, you can go everywhere at your own pace and you're not dependent on public transportation. We rented a Kia Picanto through Creole Cars. The major advantage of this rental company is that you can pick up your car at the airport and drop it off at the ferry terminal without incurring any extra charges. Mahé is home to a number of stunning beaches, which makes it a perfect island for a day of beach hopping. Here are our favorites. Anse Mayor. Anse Mayor is a secluded beach that is accessible by boat or by hiking. We went for the latter. From the starting point of the hike, you will walk to Anse Mayor Beach in about 30 to 45 minutes. Along the way, you can enjoy spectacular views. Please note that the trail has quite a bit of elevation gain. This, in combination with the bright sun and the high humidity, can make it a bit of a tough hike at times. Therefore, make sure you have enough water with you, and I recommend wearing a hat or a cap. Once you arrive at the beach, you will know the hike was totally worth it. Tip: make sure you leave early for Anse Mayor so that the beach is not too crowded yet. We left at 8 AM and we had the whole beach to ourselves for the first half hour. On the south coast of Mahé, you will find Anse Royale Beach, a beach with white sand and clear blue water. There are a number of huge granite boulders on the beach, the rocks for which the Seychelles are known for. Anse Royale is located in a bay, making the water calm and perfect for relaxing. It is also said to be a good snorkeling spot with countless of colorful fish. In the northwest of Mahé, you will find Beauvalon Beach, one of the most popular beaches on the island. Beauvalon Beach is a long stretch of white sand beach and is, like Anse Royale Beach, located in a bay. This makes the water perfect for swimming and cooling off. The beach is surrounded by nice restaurants, takeaways and bars, so you are sure to have fun here. Tip: from Beauvalon you can also enjoy a beautiful sunset. If you have more time, be sure to visit Anse Intendance, Anse Forbans, Petite Anse, and Anse Soleil as well. A popular activity in Mahé is to go diving. About 6 kilometers from the island, you will find one of the most popular dive spots in the Seychelles, namely Shark Bank, which is known for its sharks, rays, turtles, and the beautiful coral you can see there. This dive site is suitable for experienced divers only, as the dive starts at a depth of 20 meters and ends at 35 meters. We did 2 dives with Equinox Seychelles Diving School, one at Shark Bank and one at the aquarium. We paid €120 per person. This included a long distance fee and diving equipment. Then, a visit to Victoria, the vibrant capital city of Seychelles, may not be missed. Here you will find a mix of European and African influences, and you can experience the real Seychellois culture by visiting the following: the local market, the National Museum of History, the Victoria Clock Tower, and the Hindu temple. Then, visit the Takamaka rum distillery. Takamaka rum is a rum that was first brewed and is still produced in the Seychelles. The distillery offers a free tour during which they tell you everything about the Takamaka brand and explain more about the process of brewing rum. For real rum lovers, there is a free tasting at the end of the tour as well. The Takamaka distillery is very well set up. There is a bar, a small takeaway where you can get something to eat, and you will find 2 Seychelles tortoises named Taka and Maka. The Morne Blanc Trail is a steep hike that leads you to a fantastic viewpoint. The trail is approximately 2.1 kilometers with an elevation gain of 218 meters, making it quite a challenging climb. From the starting point, you ascend steeply, and this continues until you reach the viewpoint. It can be tough, but once you're at the top, you will realize it was all worth it. The trail is free to hike. Tip: you'll be walking among trees, over roots, rocks and mud. Make sure to wear sturdy shoes, especially if it has rained. In Mahé, you can enjoy a stunning sunset in several places. The best places for a sunset are Sunset Beach and Beaufalon Beach. We personally loved getting a takeaway meal and eating it on the beach during the sunset. Then, food and drinks in Mahé. There are countless restaurants and takeaways in Mahé where you can eat on the spot or order food to go. Here are our favorites: Beaufalon Halal Bites for the best pizzas to go, Leo's Food Bus, Cajun and Creole cuisine, K-Foods, also Cajun and Creole cuisine, The Boathouse, they serve a Creole buffet every day, and Beach Shack Seychelles for cocktails and other drinks. So that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it or found it helpful, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And make sure you subscribe to my channel with notifications on so you don't miss any future videos. I hope to see you for the next one. Bye bye!